So pricing guides for shingles and systems that we do for roofs, we try to go to a full system because the bargain deal is really trying to get the more amount of material. Doing patches really differentiates what kind of pricing you're going to be looking at. Typically, we go off our main brands, GAF, Owens Cording. Those two main powerhouses of shingle companies give us a very good competitive pricing versus all the other shingles. With them, we have multiple materials, so not just the field shingles, but the hip shingles, the box vents, the starter shingles, the felt, all those kind of jump into the same systems, which gives us a little bit better pricing on the fact of trying to jump to 3 or 4 different brands trying to cover over a product. But typically for the 2024, Owens Cording and GAF are the main powerhouses of what we're looking for. Certainty definitely plays effect as well. But when we price things out, that tends to be the more realistic price point for any of the shingle brands out there.